Hi folks, I'm Anwesh Kumar Sahu and today I'm diving headfirst into the world of game development with Unity, the engine behind countless indie games and this game that I call Effeminare's Blorb. I'm not just here to show you how I can code, I want to share the journey, the hiccups, my ideation and creation of art assets. I made this project in just 6 hours yesterday, working non-stop. So grab your coffee and let's get our game on. Unity might seem daunting with its very vast array of tools and features, but I absolutely love it. I use a hands on approach, learn the basics, practice with mini projects, and then learn on the fly. It's how I went from cloning basic games to crafting my own unique ideas. And today I'm going to share this approach by recreating Flappy Bird with an Indian effeminate twist to it. Now that I've got Unity and Visual Studio ready, let's hit the road to game creation. I started by making my Flappy Bird appear on screen. It's about dragging, dropping, clicking, sort of like organizing one's desk, but more fun because I'm making a game here. Now, the meat of a game, making the bird flap. Here, I delve into rigid body 2D for physics, add a sprinkle of C# for controls, and voila, we have a bird that defies gravity. Each line of code is a small step towards our functioning game, and I promise it's as rewarding as fixing that bug that's been bothering you for hours. What's Flappy Bird without those pesky pipes? So I created their spawn and movement, ensuring they're a challenge but not impossible. It's about finding that sweet spot where the game is fun yet challenging. Again, delving into the intricacies of our avian protagonist's physics, I employ Unity's rigid body 2D component to simulate realistic gravity effects. So to achieve the iconic flap, I use the add force method, applying an upward force when the player interacts to the spacebar key. I refine this by adjusting the gravity scale and the mass properties of the rigid body 2D to fine-tune the gameplay feel. For the procedural generation of obstacles, I utilize Unity's prefab system. So by scripting the spawn logic with a mono behavior script attached to an invisible game object, we control the instantiation of pipe prefabs using instantiate function calls. The pipes are not merely static, they move towards the player, simulating forward movement. This is also achieved by manipulating the transform position with the update method, applying a consistent leftward vector 3 shift adjusted by time.delta time to ensure frame rate independence. I basically harness the power of prefabs here for easy modifications and ensure optical game performance, as well by dynamically adjusting the spawning frequency and the pipe speed through variables exposed in the Unity editor. This ensures a balance between control and efficiency. No game is complete without scores and the inevitable game over, so I added UI elements to track the player's high scores and a restart option because we all deserve a second chance. It's the cycle of gaming life: try, fail, and try again until you triumph. And there you have it, a journey through game development from a blank Unity project to a fully functional Flappy Bird clone. Thank you for joining me on this game dev adventure, and thank you for making time to see my work in action.